Hello everyone, so in this video, pag-usapan natin ang Jisu Life Ultra 1. So this came from Jisu Life. Tignan natin yung specs sheet niya. And this is called Ultra 1. Yung input voltage niya is 5 volts, 2 ampere, up to 12 volts, 1.5 ampere. Battery capacity niya is 9,000 milliampere. And ito yung details sa kanya. 100 speed personal fan, may smart LED digital display, 18 watt fast charging input. So, mabilisan ng charge, I think 2 hours for the 9,000 milliampere at the same time, up to 6 hours of battery life. So, tara, tignan natin yung laman sa loob. So, Jisu Life we have been using Jisu Life sa mga portable fan natin. And they have been a good product. Kailangan ko siyang itaktak para matanggal. Okay. So this is the Jisu Life Ultra 1, the world's #1 portable fan brand. And let's see. Okay. So, sa side, unahin natin yung mga accessories. As usual, sa mga unboxing natin. So, you got your manual, Jisu Life branded strap. This is a cleaning brush na portable. Kahit sa ibang products ng Jisu Life, you could use this as well. Type C to Type C, Type C to Type A. Okay, so you got a stand with a quarter mount. So, kung gusto mo ilagay siya sa tripod, you could do so. Round wind nozzle. So, kung gusto mo i-focus yung pag-blow ng air ng Ultra 1, you could use this. Flat nozzle. So, kung gusto mo medyo flat yung pagbuga, you could use this. This is the fan. Pero lagyan sa gilid kasi may naiwan pang Jisu Life branded na pouch. So, this is the fan. We got here the gray colored fan. So, dito mo ilalagay sa baba yung strap. You have to put it here para you can place it on your hands habang ginagamit mo siya. Hindi siya malalaglag. And it has a matte finish. I like the color. So, yun nga lang medyo gasgasin kasi this is made of aluminum. So, medyo kailangang ingatan lang para hindi magasgas. Sa bottom part, you have I think this is a soft plastic. Yeah, soft plastic siya. It's around 37.9 mm. Tapos, ang kahaba niya is 74.4. Tapos, ang height naman niya is 132.3. Tapos, let's talk about how you would use this in your normal daily life. So, you have to press this, hold, mag-go on. Okay. So, this is just 1% of the fan. And this is 100. Okay, turn off. So, sa likod ng fan, you have this hole, the grills, para hindi mo mahawakan yung loob. So, medyo malayo-layo siya sa pinaka-grills. No? So, medyo siguro delikado kasi ang lakas ng hangin talaga. Tapos, if you be using this, kailangan mong i-hold pa to. Na maganda na rin, nakalubog. So, kung nasa bag mo siya, hindi basta-basta aksidente mapipindot. There's actually an LED light here. No? Habang ginagamit mo siya, pwede mong buksan to. Pwede kang mag-send ng SOS. So, if you will turn this on, buksan nyo lang. From there, pindutin mo yung likod and it would turn on the light. So, off natin itong light para makita nyo. So, may three levels siya. No? Ayan yung nagbi-blink and SOS. Okay? Tapos, sa screen, makikita mo, once you turn it on, lalabas yung battery, percentage, tapos yung level ng fan. Gusto nyo makita yung battery percentage, double click lang, lalabas. There, saka. So, kahit nakabukas na siya, you could actually see it again. just by doing double press. So let's try to check yung speed at 1%. So let's try at 20%. Medyo maingay na to, around 50. 11.3. Okay, so medyo maingay na kasi. So lumipat tayo ng pwesto. We will run it at let's see, 75. Diba ang ingay niya na? Okay. Around 13. Yeah. Change tayo. Let's put it at 100%. Yan. Medyo maingay na talaga siya. Rinig naman eh. Okay. $16.9, 16.8, 17. So pag-usapan natin yung mga accessories ng Jisu Life Ultra 1. So this is the base. Yung top niya parang soft rubber din. So what you need to do, i-align nyo lang siya sa likod, no? May yung pinakalagayan ng strap. You have to press. So friction lang ang it is held by friction and it gives you that stand, no? So pwede mo siyang ilagay dyan, hindi siya babagsak. Very useful to, lalo kung gusto mong gawin siya na parang desk fan, you have to bring this with you. Next is this nozzle. Actually, this round nozzle, ito yung pagka gusto mong gamitin siya as a blower type na panlinis. No? Gamitin mo to, lagay mo siya, mafocus yung buga ng hangin. So, kunyari, naglilinis ka ng computer mo or ng keyboard mo, you could use this to blow air dun sa gusto mong linisin bagay. Tapos, ito namang fan na to, yung flat. Itong flat. I think this is used to as a blower, no? Hindi sa buhok. Pwede mo siyang gamitin na blower sa buhok. So, yung itsura ng wind na lalabas sa kanya, flat na. Pwede mo siyang gamitin pang-dry ng buhok mo, or may gusto kang i-blower na mas malawak yung surface area, you could use this. Both of this has a rubber lining na kailangan mong i-align dun sa top part, and it would press fit lang siya, and it would held by friction as well. So, same. So, ang huli natin pag-usapan is this strap from Jisu Life. Kung gusto mo siyang ikabit, tanggalin mo muna siya dito sa pinaka-strap. Lagay mo lang siyang pa ganun. And, kailangan makuha mo yung kabilang dulo. Tapos, okay. Then you have your strap with you. Kabit mo lang dito. And, there you go. So, pagka gagamitin mo siya, yung Jisu Life mo, lagay mo lang siya sa kamay mo, strap, no? Para kahit mabitawan mo, safe lang yung fan, hindi siya babagsak. Better to put this on a lanyard para nakasabit siya sa leg mo whenever you go out and about. Ang kagandahan lang is if the battery got depleted, you could actually remove the battery from here. Actually, there's an instruction manual. Nasa instruction manual din siya. So, you have to remove this part, tsaka yung shell. Then you have access to the battery. So, kung in the end, humina na yung battery mo, you could just replace it very, very easily. So, that is one thing that Jisu Life is good. Pagdating sa fans nila, it's easy to replace the battery kasi yan ang madalas nasisira agad in this kind of devices. 1%. 25%. That is 25. 30%. Okay. 50. 75. Okay. That is 75%. Okay. Last 100%. Okay. That is 100%. Oh, the Ultra One. So, bakit nga ba malakas ang buga ng hangin ng Jisoo Life Ultra One? So, tingnan natin yung pinaka-blade niya. It is made of metal. Ayan o. Metal blade siya. Tapos, ang dami niyang number of blades. Ilan to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13 blades. So, sobrang dami ng blades niya. Tapos, at the same time, pag tinignan natin from this side, hindi pala kita. This side, meron pang mga bakal, ayun o, na naka-angulo in a way na pag binuksan natin yung blade sa ilalim. So, paikot siya kung lumabas from the other end. So, tingnan natin yung itsura pag umaandar. Ayun o, parang ka nagpapaandar ng grinder. Ganun yung feeling. No? Diba? Yun nga lang, medyo tinanggal natin to. So, be very careful if you'll try to remove this. Kasi medyo delikado kasi nga metal lang nating blade. Ayan o. Ganyan lang kalaki yung blade kung tutuusin. Sobrang nipis. Ayan o. Parang ang design nga niya, parang sa jet engine. Ganun yung feeling eh. Parang siyang jet engine. Na since may tube dito, taas dito lang galing ang hangin, paglabas dito, umiikot siya. Yun, isipin yung magandang example dito is yung barrel. Pagka lumabas yung bala ng barrel, 'di ba? Umiikot 'yon. And the more na nag-spin yung bala, the more na mas malakas o mas mabilis yung momentum ng bala. So same principles lang din dito sa Jisoo Life Ultra One. Kaya may grills, no? Para protektahan ka. Ang isang suggestion ko lang sana pinalaki nila to para pag nililinis mo, madaling linisin yung blade. Problema kasi medyo finicky pag nililinis siya. So yeah, this is the Jisoo Life Ultra One unboxing.